What is the cost of a cob house? This is one of the most frequently asked questions from people who are considering to build a mud house or a cob house. Hello, if you're new to this channel, we moved to this remote mountain forest to build this cob house with our own labor of love and with a community of more than 100 people from over 18 countries. In today's video, we not only talk about the 5 factors that influence the cost of a cob house, but in the end, we also talk about the value per square feet that you get when you build such a cob house. One common myth is that cob houses are dirt cheap, and another misconception is the notion of a fixed per square foot cost. Unlike conventional construction where everything is standardized and industrially produced, it's very difficult to come up with a fixed per square feet cost for a cob house. Siggy, the founder of the blog The Year of Mud, put in his own labor of love and built his 200 square feet cottage in the Dancing Rabbit Eco Village for just $4,000, which comes out to be approximately Rs 3,33,000. This 600 feet cob house, one of the first fully permitted cob houses in British Columbia, Canada, costed around $40,000, approximately 34 lakh Indian rupees. Our 600 square feet cob house costed us around $24,000, approximately Rs 20 lakhs, when we put our own labor of love. While building a cob house, ideally you want to have a fixed figure in mind to work with. You can build a cob house in your budget if you work backwards and plan smarter. Several variables come into play that can influence your overall expenses. Here are 5 key factors. The number one factor is definitely the size of the build. If you're building a small round cottage of say 250 to 300 square feet, then you can still keep your budgets lower. But as soon as you get around the 500 square feet size mark, there is a significant increase in costs. It is a no-brainer that larger cob houses require more quantity of materials and labor. Additionally, the larger floors and roofs would require extensive framing and support systems, further adding to the material expenses. The site preparation and infrastructure requirements can also add to the cost significantly. Cob houses are known for their organic shapes and natural aesthetics. They're tailored to the owner's preferences and the surrounding environment. The complexity of the design of your cob house will directly impact the cost. Intricate designs and high quality construction require more materials and skilled labor, driving up the overall expenses. Generally, in conventional construction, the labor costs account for 30% and the material costs account for up to 70%. But it's the other way around when it comes to natural building. The labor costs also depend on the skill, availability and location. Skilled labor is more expensive than unskilled labor. By becoming an owner builder and giving your labor of love, you can definitely save on the labor costs. But this could also mean that you will take a lot of time to build the project because you might not have the physical stamina and the acumen of a skilled labor on your first build. Clay, sand and straw are inexpensive, and if you're lucky you might also find the right composition of clay and sand on the soil available at your site. You can build a cob house with quite basic and inexpensive tools without the heavy machinery. What ends up costing more are the doors, windows and finishes, etc. After labor, the roof is the most significant cost in a cob house construction. Depending on your design preferences, budget, the roofing materials can range from timber trusses, thatch, clay tiles or a living roof with EPDM membrane or a pond liner. Utilities such as plumbing, electrical, and heating systems also take up a major chunk of the cost. The cost of cob house can be relatively lower in rural areas due to cheaper materials and labor. But however, the remoteness of your site can significantly impact the cost, especially when it has a challenging terrain. Remote sites would require additional labor for logistics and even longer timelines. It would eventually add up to higher overall expenses. In a world where instant gratification is not fast enough, we understand why people want the largest house in least amount of money and in the fastest time. Also, they need to be doubly sure of how they're spending their hard-earned money. People want to know the per square feet cost of a cob house so that they can compare it with the conventional brick and cement mortar buildings. But before we compare their cost, we need to see other factors associated with building with cement. We believe that no material is bad, but how much and where you use it matters. Concrete is the second most consumed material in the world after water. The building and construction sector is by far the largest emitter of greenhouse gases, accounting for 37% of global emissions. The construction and demolition waste from the construction industry account for the 30% of total waste generated in the world. We spend 90% of our time indoors, and modern building materials can contain chemicals that can lead to both short-term and long-term health impacts. We need to understand that some things are beyond time and money. The conversation needs to shift from price per square foot to value per square foot. Cob houses are not only healthier for you, but also for the planet. It has a lower carbon footprint, and the mud can go back to the earth after the end of the building's life. The cob house breathes and provides you with better indoor air quality, and hence you sleep better. Cob houses can be handcrafted, unique to you and your personality. The earthen floor grounds you, and the thick mud walls wrap you in safety, like how a child feels snug in a mother's womb. They're whimsical, playful, and have a fantasy quality. The spaces inspire wonder and joy. The muted colors are easy on your eyes. The organic shapes and textures of a hand-sculpted home inspire you, elevate, and nurture your spirit. A cob house could be your personal dreamscape, where you daydream and your children would love growing up. The joy of building is for everyone and should not be reserved only for the mason. A cob dwelling provides a design and build process that is intimate and involves the users of the building, in contrast to the corporate developed conventional building. The cob house becomes an opportunity for self-expression. In this case, the house is not just developed on a paper, but it becomes an iterative design process that unravels on site. You have to build and live in such a house to experience the magic for yourself. It will take more time and it might cost you more. You will have to overcome many challenges, but in the end, it will be worth it and you will absolutely love it. If you like this video, please consider subscribing to the channel and sharing this video with a friend who might want to build a cob house in the future. Thank you for watching.